Hi, welcome to the course ChatGPT for Programmers. In this course, you will learn how to revolutionize your programming experience with the power of ChatGPT. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this course has something for everyone. So in this video, I want to give you an introduction to the course content. So let's start with section 1, which is this current section. In this section, I'll give you an introduction to ChatGPT. Then in section 2, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to build programs from scratch. You'll learn how to query ChatGPT to build programs for you and discover some exciting examples of what's possible. Now, we will query ChatGPT to write Python programs for us, but if you want to use another language, you can do that. In section 3, we will focus on ChatGPT to fix existing programs. You'll learn how to quickly and easily fix coding bugs using the advanced language processing capabilities of ChatGPT. In section 4, we'll look at how to use ChatGPT to improve existing programs. From adding new features to making codes more efficient, you'll learn how to make the most of your programs with ChatGPT. Section 5, we will dive deeper into existing uses of ChatGPT in the programming field, from writing documentation to learning new programming languages, and even landing your dream job. You'll discover the many possibilities of ChatGPT. Section 6 will be a bonus where I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT API so that you can make your own programs which make other programs, etc. So if you're ready to take your programming efficiency to a new level, join me and let's start building apps with ChatGPT. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.